All right, you guys out there, our audience. So we do have the very popular Tank 200 on our lift. It came in here for a full service. This is about 1 year and a few months old. This has the 12-inch wheels. All the new ones now have the 13-inch, you guys. So Adam right now dismantled the transmission. This is the clutch for the Tank 200. That's the clutch bell. Here on this side here, you guys can see. Belt size right here on here, and let's just see what belt is on it. What number do we have here, Alan?
A3520.
There you go, A3520, you guys. That's for your variator and your rollers. This is the rollers housing right here, you guys, on this side here, and these are the rollers as shown. So gives you guys a bit of a glimpse. It's the Tank 200. This could be an add-on to our service video that we've done. Again, you got to service the clutch, you guys. You do not want this to be dried out. So make sure you do that, particularly the first service. When you put a couple of 100 miles on it, make sure you do that first service on there. You guys can watch our other videos we've done. Servicing the clutch is exactly the same way, whether it's a 50cc 150 or this is the Tank 200. It actually comes out to about 169, you guys. This is the EFI model with the 12-inch wheels. This is a year and a few months old. So now they have the 13-inch wheels, and they also have that deluxe model with the luggage racks on there too, which are pretty cool. So there you guys have it. One more up close of the transmission area here. This is your stuff over here, your belt as shown. This is the torque spring. It's the size of that torque spring, you guys.
It's huge
your rollers.
to the Q&Bs.
Isn't it huge compared to the 49 cc's? Yeah. That's the cover right over here. That's your fan right here. That's the kickstart. So, all right, you guys. If you have any questions, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next video. Again, this is here for a full service. It's the VITACCI Tank 200 electronic fuel injection with the 12-inch wheels. There's not much difference with the 13-inch wheels, except the one with the deluxe model now they're offering. It has those luggage racks on there. We'll catch you guys soon on the next video.